What is up, guys? It's ViralWhirl here, back at it with a brand new video. Go ahead and smash that like button. Just smash it if you want to see more videos like this, more videos on how to make money online, more videos on how to grow your YouTube channel and shit like that. So go ahead and smash that like button and comment down below grind season, because it is grind season. Hashtag grind season, bro. So before I even start with this video, I want to tell you guys that with this method, don't expect to make millions or fucking six figures a year from this method, because obviously you're not gonna make six figures from this method. The only reason I wanted to show you guys this method is it's basically easy money. It's like beer money, okay? That's what they call it, or if that's what you want to call it. It's extra, not income. It's extra, just side money on the side that you would buy food with, or whatever it is you want to buy. Your fucking crack it, whatever it is that you want to buy with this money on the side. So basically, with this method, don't even expect to make above $50 or even $25 a day. Like the title even says. The title says you could do this method when you're bored, when you ain't got shit to do, when you're just chilling. You could do this on your phone, basically just to waste time and make some money on the side. So let's get to the website right here. This is the website. Okay, guys, so this is the website right here. I covered the name actually on I covered the name right here. The only reason I covered the name is because that name is the same username I use on my other channel, where it's like the experiment channel, which I'm gonna reveal to you guys later on. Not now, but later on. I just covered it because it's gonna be easy to find my other channel. So I'm pretty sure people already know my other channel, but still, I don't want to reveal it now. I've got something coming up where I do a case study, and I'm gonna reveal that channel. So basically, this website right here, it's called InstaGC or whatever you want to call it. Insta, I think it's called. I think it stands for gift card. GC obviously stands for gift card. So basically, how this website works is you just complete offers or watch videos or do trials, tasks, clicks, whatever it is that makes you money. Obviously, the calls make you the most money. But here's the thing. As you can see right here, I have 652.50 points. Okay? Now, I didn't do shit to get this money. I basically got this money for free. It's not even a lot. It's not even a lot, okay? It's not a lot at all. It's basically nothing. It's $6 because the currency for the points is 600 points is $6, 6,000 points is $60, and so on and so forth. So basically, I didn't do shit to get this money. The only reason I have this amount of money is because I've mentioned it in one of my videos on my other channel. Okay, I only mentioned it once. I'm like, hey, if you guys want to get gift cards for this game, go ahead, go to this website, and that's it. Go to this website, and then I put the link in my description. And yeah, I just wanted to test it out. The only reason I actually use this website is just to test it out, to see if it actually works. I made withdraw just to see if it actually works, and it does work. They're not lying. You can actually withdraw the money to your PayPal account. See, I already made a PayPal withdrawal for 680 points, which is measly $6.80. But I'm telling you guys, if you actually do watch the videos and shit like that, you can actually get a lot of points. People getting 97 points. If you don't got time on your hand, if you got time on your hands, you're bored, you could do this all day. You could probably make $20 a day at least, okay? $20 a day at least, but it's gonna take you a long time. Again, it's gonna take you a long time to complete these offers, these trials, and these videos. But you can actually make some side money from this, okay? There's people actually making lots of money from this, but it's usually from referrals, okay? So referrals make you the most money on this website. As you can see, I have like 135 referrals. I've had way more, but a lot of people don't go on their account. They're inactive. These are active referrals. So basically, with these types of websites, like this, I usually don't promote websites like this, and this is not even a promotional or an advertising paid post, okay? Because they didn't pay me shit. Insta Green Card did not pay me shit to post this video, okay? They pay me nothing, and I'm not even gonna put the what's it called? I'm not even gonna put my referral link in the description, because I don't even give a fuck, okay? I can give you this $6.50, whatever, to your PayPal account if you want. Go ahead and comment that down below if you want $6.50. I'll just send that to you because it doesn't mean shit to me. Like I said, I've only made an account on here a long time ago just for fun, just to see if it actually works, if they actually withdraw money instantly, and it actually does work. You can instantly withdraw the money. You don't have to wait to get approved or shit like that. You just sign up, you do the offers, and you instantly can withdraw. Obviously, I didn't do offers. I got all these points from just referring people. Like I said, I posted a video. I just in that video I just mentioned it once, okay? I just mentioned it once and I put it in the link, and people were signing up, and actually the more points that they get, the more points that you get. That's how it works. So if you have a big following on Instagram, wherever, if you already have a big following, this will work great for you, okay? You'll make a lot of side money from this. If you have a big following, you could get people to sign up and they would make money for you. That's how it works. But if you don't have a big following, like I said, you could do this if you're bored. You could watch videos, you could do clicks, you could do tasks. Now, don't go ahead and fucking dislike this video because obviously I put it in the title. I put in the title, if you're bored, go ahead and try this. I didn't say you're gonna make 6 figures. I didn't say you're gonna be a millionaire off this. It's chump change. It's money that's gonna pay for your food each month or whatever. Pay for going out. Pay for going to McDonald's or Burger King, whatever. Pay for your fast food addiction. That's all it is, okay? It's not income that's gonna make you. It's not income that's gonna pay your rent. It's not income that's gonna buy you a car. None of that. If you want that income, go ahead and watch my other videos where I show you how much I make off affiliate. Now that's real money. 6 figures a year, 17K in a year just off one video. Go ahead and watch that video. I already posted it, how I made 17K off one video. Or other videos where I show you how to make a lot of money from other methods. Obviously, this method, you're not going to make a lot of money again. And again, this is not a paid post. There's no way I would even accept a paid post on my channel because I don't want to show you guys garbage, okay? I don't want to show you garbage just so I can get paid for it. I do get a lot of offers on my email. I can even show you my email, how many offers I get daily, weekly to post shit on my channel, okay? But I don't want to post nothing that I don't agree with, I would say. So basically, stuff that actually works, I post. This worked for me. I posted this link on my other channel. People went to that link, they signed up, they made money, I made money. It's not a lot of money, it's $6. I didn't do shit for it still. And it's instant to my PayPal account. So yeah, go ahead. So yeah, if you want to make some side money, if you want to make some side money, just if you're bored every day, just if you're bored, I think you could do this on your phone. I think it does work on your phone. If you want to do that, go ahead. Comment down below if you want me to post videos, more videos on how you can make money online. Obviously, I'm gonna be posting more videos on how you can make 6 figures a year online, not this bullshit, but this is like just for side money, like I said. So that's it. That wraps up the video. Like I said, if you guys want to make the most money, you should do the videos and calls, I'm guessing, and downloading and installing apps. That makes you the most. Stuff like clicks and that stuff, it's not gonna make you a lot of money. So basically, that's all you should do to make some side money, some beer money, or to feed your crack addiction. Crack's probably like $20 a gram. $20 a gram, okay? You could buy probably 1 gram a month. Don't ask me how I know. I'm just joking, guys. I don't even know how much that shit is. Go ahead, like I said, comment down below if you want to see more videos on how to make money online. And that's it, guys. Peace.